Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Then you can move on to question 19, which is also quite simple. It would seem as though both options 3 and 4 would be correct, because generally when you magnify something, the ratio of the height of the object to the height of the image is the same as that of the object distance to the image distance. So if it's 20 times taller, it should be 20 times nearer as well. Well, the difference is if you're talking about a telescope that looks at a distant object, then the object distance is infinity, and generally the image distance is also either infinity and you see parallel rays coming, or focus at the least distance of distinct vision. So the object and image distances are somewhat unusual for telescopes because you are dealing with incredibly distant objects. So it would not look to us to be 20 times nearer. However, just by the definition of magnification, it would look to us to be 20 times taller, which means the answer will be option 3.